Well, hello viewers. Welcome back to CoffeeChillTV and welcome to Saturday afternoon Buriram City and the new Residence Hotel. Let's check in and check it out. And yes, you are watching CoffeeChillTV, where we do real hotel reviews. Like, share, subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. That'd be lovely. So folks, we're in room B21 in the rear wing of the new Residence Hotel. In the corner, second floor, big double bed. I asked for a corner unit at the rear of the property and my wish was their command. You got to love it when that happens. So I'm yet to unpack, but let's take some candid snaps for part of the the initial vibe here, which is pretty cool, guys, at this hotel in Buriram City. How's that echo? So before I put on the air conditioner and it gets noisy out on the balcony, let's do the obligatory balcony check. So folks, there's a nice breeze coming through at the back here. There's some traditional Isaan architecture on that house. This one's a little bit run down, this one over here. Extra security here with these cages, and look, you can hang some stuff up here as well. Here is the aircon unit. I'm going to turn that on in a couple of moments. And folks, there's a little bit of tinting on those windows as well as the curtain, which is good because you know, depending on which side of the property you're on which side of the day, here in northeastern Thailand, the afternoon sun or the morning sun can have a bit of a bite. And that's a small balcony, but it's sizable enough. You could put a little chair out there if you wanted to. The gentle hum of the air conditioner. Folks, looks like we've got a smart TV. Always happy when that happens. Might jump on the Netflix later today, see how we go. So folks, several PowerPoints, and in terms of Wi-Fi, I'm on the Wi-Fi on this device, the Samsung S10 Plus. My Samsung S7 tablet is running on its own little Wi-Fi system, self-contained, and one of my videos is playing in the background there, the King Hotel of Leh City. And I might put some notes about that. You can refer to it if you like later on. But yeah, nice little student desk, isn't it? You know, perfect for those digital nomads and, You know, there's a little seat underneath, little stool seat. Got your bin here. Got your bathroom floor mat, which I'll be putting in soon. Extra desking and storage there as well. Looks like this room has a meter on it. So I'm going to be surprised if they've got some maybe month to month, longer term guests in this hotel. But I'm only speculating. Sitting on the bed and, I tell you what, medium firmness, nice elevation, proper king size bed too. And you can see there, guys, you're in a nice position to check out the television, which has got, you know, a nice reception on it as well. And you should also be able to see that it's a pretty big cupboard there, wardrobe for your clothes, your shirts and skirts and shorts and slacks. Some crinkled up items from yours truly. I came from Korat on the train this morning. So some of those shirts are looking a little bit crinkly, but plenty of space, you know, for his and hers, hers and his, and anything in between, folks. What about the bathroom? I haven't tested it yet, but you know, you've got it's reasonably good sized. You know, you got your little throne there with your bum gun. Extra shower rack, which is nice. TP on the roll here. And it's an adjustable shower head and it's a decent size. There's your controls. I'll give that a whirl later, but be assured, I won't be filming that. Complimentary waters in glass and glasses to pour them in. So, you know, a bit of a travel hack, guys. I'm going to put those waters in the fridge soon, and I'm going to put the glasses in the fridge. The old frosted glass trick. Pretty good size, isn't it? That refrigerator. And once again, guys, if you're a long-term stayer, if you're here for more than, you know, a couple of nights, I'm only here for a couple of nights, a decent sized fridge. You know, it's a bit of a bonus. So what about access and security? 24/7, guys. They're on the reception here, and you know, it's the key card that powers up the room, but it's good old school stainless steel key to lock the room. You've got your bolt latch there. And here's another little travel hack from CoffeeChillTV. And this was more going back to the early 90s when I was backpacking through places like Central and Southern Africa. And I was, you know, a bit more heightened security awareness. I leave my shoes at the door. Why is that? Well, someone breaks into your room in the middle of the night. They're often not looking down there. And they may trip over, make a bit of a noise, and, you know. So it's just an extra little thing. Something I do, guys. You know, whatever floats your boat. And on that note of access and security, let's go outside and have a look at the grounds and surrounds of the new residence hotel at BuriRam. So folks, you can see here that it's some undercover parking that's pretty much been co-opted by the two-wheeled wonders, the motorbikes. But you go, you've got your four wheels, you can park it over there. So that's always nice. I'm not bringing any wheels of my own, so it's not really an issue for me. But you know, if you're driving to BuriRam, if you're riding to BuriRam, you know, there's car parking here. It's not a massive car park, guys, but you know, it's ample. And I suppose if it's fully chock-a-block, there's that street parking across the road. And folks, there's a little coin laundry downstairs as well. So, you know, I pay someone to do my laundry. It's the cost of labour at the time of videoing this vlog. This vlog is very economical, but if you want to go DIY, guys, there you go. You've got some washing and drying machines there. Something I'm liking, guys, is that where my room is here in the rear wing, I can choose to go through reception, or I can just go through the car park, you know, which I'll probably do in a moment when I finish this this little video log wrap up. Let's check out a little bit of reception. Folks, you may have noticed the lounge and the complimentary coffee. I'm a bit of a fan of the complimentary coffee. So in terms of location, folks, I arrived early, so I've already been for a walkabout the local neighbourhood, and this is not the central business district. It's not the CBD. It's not the commercial heart of the city, but it's a pretty good location, guys. Let me tell you a bit more. So, talking about motorbikes before, if you want to buy yourself a motorbike or a scooter, I'm sure those folks over there would love to, would welcome your inquiries. Right next to the new resident is a mum and pop shop. Some icy cold cans of Leo and Chang and Singer in there before, plus snacks, you know, so that's handy. That's handy. Up this way, guys, is the entrance to the shrine, and you know, just some more sort of cafes and restaurants and things. So folks, I went for a walk down there before. Nice little hole in the wall Thai Isaan restaurants, and a really great bakery cafe, Kid Thuang. So if you want to step up a little bit, you know, lots of tempting treats at the Kid Thuang Cafe and Bakery. It's probably about 400 metres that way. So here we are on Isaan Road, and if you go just up where the silver utility is just going past now, and you take a hard left, that'll take you towards the beautiful park. It'll take you towards the Chinese shrine. It'll take you towards Big C and 7-Eleven. It's probably a K. It's probably about a kilometre to get over that way yonder. Big C, 7-Eleven, park, shrine. And I did see some other cafes and restaurants that way as well. So certainly, guys, there's enough in the neighbourhood to take care of yourself in terms of, you know, your sherbets and din-dins. But if you want to get into like the commercial hub, you might have to grab a tuk-tuk or a grab or a bicycle or jump on the back of a truck, whatever works for you. Okay guys, so I showed you one corner there. We slowly pivot around. There's the shrine. Okay. Now those who want to have a little bit of reflection, worship, etc. I'm going to take you up to the other corner just to show you the other surrounds angle to the new residence hotel of Buriram. So folks, this looks like the setting for some morning market action. Might check that out tomorrow. And we're coming down the home straight for this video guys, but hey, look at that, Buriram United thumbs up. If you're enjoying this video guys and you want to give it a thumbs up, that'd be lovely too. Okay guys, I'm at the front of another mum and pop shop. This one's kind of mum and pop deluxe. Well, there's hardware as well as you know, drinks and snacks here, and you know, this way guys looks to me like sort of government offices, etc. that way. So okay folks, let's zip back into the room and wrap up this this vlog. Oh, folks, that was a lovely shower. It's a compact bathroom, but it's all right. I tell you, the towel, I don't know what conditioner they're putting in when they wash the towels. That felt lovely on the skin. And yeah, look, solid shower effort. And I fired up YouTube, guys, deliberately showing ads because copyright infringements, just landmines, an occupational hazard for those of us who do these hotel vlogs, because you know, something on the TV in the background could be a copyright issue, but not if it's advertising. There's some nice dancing there, isn't it? Good reception on the YouTube. Later on, you know, maybe it's egocentric of me, but I might even check out some of my action on YouTube on CoffeeChillTV. We'll see. And following that gratuitous cross promotion, folks, we'll wrap up this video log. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to spending a couple of nights here. I will finalise my review of the new residence hotel of Buriram after I've checked out, because we do honest reviews, not fake reviews, on CoffeeChillTV, and there are plenty of real hotel reviews in the archives if you want to check them out as well. Either way, folks, cheers so much just for watching.